Okay guys, I'll just show you. I have 55% battery. Only normal mode is showing. I guess that is because of the temperature. I don't see any other modes here. I got a high temperature warning just 2 minutes before. I just stopped for like 10 seconds. I had some work nearby. I can shift to other modes, but because of the temperature, I guess I don't see other modes showing here. Guys, I guess you saw the scooter just flip to the normal mode. The temperature is 46. Interesting. See, in this mode, I cannot even change the mode now.
High temperature, cannot switch modes. High temperature, cannot switch modes.
It's peak summer now. It's very hot, you can see the sun, it's very bright. Because it's in high temperature mode, even the normal mode is not performing as it should. I feel there's a lag in normal mode also. See, usually normal mode won't take so much time. Let's see how long the scooter stays in high temperature mode. Guys, just observe the meter. To reach from 59 to 62, it took a lot of time. Usually normal mode doesn't take so much time. The normal mode, I could do around 80 on the same road, but that was on the other side. Now it's taking time to reach 80. So whenever the temperature is high and it switches automatically, the performance of normal mode is also compromised. I'll try again to shift.
High temperature, cannot switch modes.
No, it's still I cannot switch modes. Oh no, pollution. I'm not understanding why this is stuck in high temperature mode for such a long time. Probably if the battery had fan or some cooling system, that is when it could cool down sooner. Now it has to happen naturally. That is the reason it is stuck in this mode for a longer run. See?
High temperature, cannot switch modes.
Guys, finally I reached home. I'll try it for one last time. If it doesn't switch, I'll leave it for a while.
High temperature, cannot switch modes.